Hello everyone, this is Alicia. Okay, so I'm up on the roof of the mobile home that someone has been very kind and generous to give to me. But as you can see, there's a lot of work right here to do as well. A lot of the shingles have really just kind of deteriorated away, and then there's some dips, actual dips in the roof right over here, and then at the very end you can't see it. I don't know if I have the time right now, so I'm planning on ending the day right here a little bit, but that all there is like a big hole inside of the roof as well. And then again, as you can see, there's a lot of this roof is probably the original from like 30 years now. A lot of damage to the roof. And these tiles, when I started using this tile shovel, they were just coming right up with no problem. I mean, they were just flaking right up. So that should be pretty easy to get this up. And then I'm praying and asking the Lord, like, Jesus, can I have a new roof on here if you can help me? So right here is a hole, an actual hole in the roof, and then I don't know if you can see that opening and that opening, but you can see the wood surface through the roof itself. So it does need a lot of attention, but I'm like, yay God, and I'm thankful and happy. I also wanted to show you the view from up here. This is so incredible. So there's a mountain right here. There's literally mountains all the way around here. And it's not just mountains, but it's the fall time. So you can see a little bit of the color there. But and then all the way around here, just more of this amazing view again. It's kind of chilly out here today, but right over here now, again, more mountains. Right over here is the back of the property that we're located on. It's about 30 acres, but there's a river that kind of runs right down here, and it drops down. So, and then we're also hoping to maybe do some horse trails back here, around here, and just make it a really great place to enjoy for people that want to get away from the city and for raising kids. So just thought I'd share a little bit of the view and this next project. And I get down and get started, I will be on my computer trying to figure out exactly what it is that I need to do to get this done. I'm praying and asking the Lord Jesus for a metal roof. So I'm like, yay God. And yeah, I don't think next week is supposed to be really sunny, beautiful week. So I'm hoping to get most of this off. And I got some tarps to cover it up so that it doesn't get rained out. And I will be up here scraping. I do need to be careful because I see where this rot, it means that the roof is going to be kind of sensitive to walking on in some of the areas, and I don't want to fall through. But okay, well, that was what I wanted to share. Again, this is the view. It's like so beautiful. The neighbor has some cows right over in this area. Some dairy animals, and then they have some storage unit from the summer. I don't know if it's hay or straw, but they stored it for the winter there. And yeah, that's about it. That's the garden. That's the pool garden that we've started here, and it's some weed barrier on the ground, so it looks like a black pool, but it's just weed barrier. Alrighty. Okay, thank you. I will be updating you all as I go. Bye.